Are you looking for the best mirrorless cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best mirrorless cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. G-Anica 4K Digital Cameras. The G-Anica 4K digital camera seems like a versatile tool for photography enthusiasts. With its impressive 48MP camera and the added bonus of a microphone, it appears well equipped for capturing both stunning visuals and clear audio. The inclusion of a 3-color filter suggests a commitment to enhancing the artistic aspect of photography, allowing users to experiment with different tones and moods. Additionally, the incorporation of a wide-angle and macro lens expands the creative possibilities, enabling users to explore various perspectives. Overall, the G-Anica 4K digital camera seems like a promising choice for individuals looking to elevate their photography and videography skills. Number 2. Optical Zoom Professional DSLR Camera. An optical zoom professional DSLR camera with a 24x zoom capability is a photography powerhouse designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. This camera boasts a remarkable 33MP sensor, ensuring crystal, clear and highly detailed images. The 24x optical zoom feature allows for versatile shooting, from wide-angle landscapes to close-up shots, capturing every detail with precision. With advanced auto-focus technology, this DSLR camera ensures that your subjects are consistently sharp and well-defined, even in dynamic and fast-paced situations. The inclusion of 3 lenses adds to the camera's flexibility, catering to various shooting scenarios and providing creative freedom to photographers. In addition to its still photography capabilities, this camera excels in the realm of digital video recording, offering 1080p HD resolution for stunning video quality. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or recording dynamic moments, the 24x optical zoom ensures that you can get up close to the action without sacrificing image quality. Number 3. 64MP Digital Photo Camera SLR DSLR. The 64MP digital photo camera SLR DSLR is a powerhouse when it comes to photography, offering a whopping 64 megapixels to capture stunningly detailed images. Designed for both amateur enthusiasts and professional photographers, this camera boasts advanced features that make it a versatile tool for various creative pursuits. The inclusion of autofocus ensures that your subjects are always sharp and well-defined, allowing you to concentrate on capturing the perfect shot. With 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, this camera is not only excellent for still photography but also excels in videography, making it an ideal choice for vlogging and content creation. The 16x zoom capability opens up a world of possibilities, enabling you to get up close to your subject even from a distance. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or wildlife, the camera provides the flexibility needed to frame your shots perfectly. Number 4. KOMERY YouTube DSLR Camera. The KOMERY YouTube DSLR camera seems like a versatile piece of equipment for content creators. With 4K HD capabilities and a whopping 64MP, it's designed to capture high-quality videos and photos. The autofocus feature, A4.0, suggests that it's user-friendly, ensuring that your shots stay sharp and clear. The 4.0 touch screen adds a modern touch to its interface, making navigation and control convenient. Given that YouTube mention in its name, it appears tailored for creators on the platform, suggesting features that would enhance the streaming and recording experience. Overall, it seems like a promising tool for those diving into the world of content creation. Number 5. 16x Zoom 64MP DSLR Camera. The 16x Zoom 64MP DSLR camera is a powerhouse for photography and videography enthusiasts. With its impressive 16x zoom capability, it allows you to capture stunning details even from a distance. The 64MP resolution ensures high-quality, crystal, clear images, making it a top choice for professional photographers. The camera's auto-focus feature adds a layer of convenience, ensuring that your shots are sharp and well-defined. Additionally, the capability to shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second makes it a versatile tool for content creators and videographers. The 4.0-inch touchscreen adds a modern and user-friendly element to the camera, providing an intuitive interface for easy navigation and control. Whether you're a photography enthusiast looking to capture intricate details or a content creator aiming for high-quality videos, this DSLR camera is designed to meet your needs. Its compatibility with various shooting scenarios, including YouTube content creation, makes it a valuable tool for those who want a reliable and advanced SLR recorder.